This is Dr. Leverett, and he'd like to share a few patient experiences.
Yes, I had a female patient, and she had had a history of multiple concussions, and she had recently fallen and sustained another one, and she had injured her neck, and so she went to see her medical doctor just to get checked out. And anyhow, they evaluated her and just kind of pretty much sent her home like normal. And so she came in to me for neck pain, and so we treated her neck, and where she had hit her head, well, I took the stylus and treated over the side of pain and where she had her knot, and it just blew her away. That actually eased that pain and tenderness, because she'd had a scar right here for many years, and so that's when I told her that chiropractic is a lot more than just popping bones. There's a lot of neurology involved.
You had an experience with your son also.
Yes, my son sustained a concussion, and so I knew the benefits of using that stylus to treat it, because it greatly helped his symptoms in that as well. And then I also had taken Dr. Bonebreak's acupuncture course, part 5. I had a female that I was treating in the office she had shoulder pain, couldn't move her shoulder, so I was just going through there, and I do a lot of soft tissue manual therapy and scraping, like what Dr. Bonebreak teaches in his part 2. And so I'm aggressive, and so as I was working and scraping that tissue, it created a response in this woman, and I had no idea that she had seizures, and she went into seizure on my table right there. And anyhow, it just came to me, and I remember to come in and treat the GV 26 point that Dr. Bonebreak had talked about for seizures, and literally the seizure stopped right then and there, and it didn't take long because she just went into the seizure, and her husband was sitting in the room, and he's a great big man, and he said a few 4-letter words, because he says normally it'll take her about 30 minutes to come out of it, so it's for real.
And Dr. Leverett used principles from TTAPS, mainly parts 1 and 5.